Food is the universal language, and nothing brings people together better.
Where does everyone congregate at a party? All right, I want to just show you a couple of tips and tricks for things that you are going to be making tonight.
We are Parties That Cook. Hello. And I am going to take just a few minutes here to explain the flow of this game.
What you want to do is take the ginger. This has been washed. I'm grating it on a box grater, and I take it in my hand and I just squeeze the juice.
You are going to have exactly 60 minutes to cook. Prior to that 60 minutes, you are having 10 minutes in each of your pots with a chef. Inside of that 10 minutes, you need to come up with a team name, a team captain, a runner, a direction or a plan for your food. All right, runners, ready? 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 60 seconds begin.
Our events are perfect for corporate team building, client entertaining, holiday parties, special occasion events, or any event, as we like to say, that you want to make deliciously fun. Our events inspire connection within the group, so a lot of people use it for team building.
The final win went to Team 3. Congratulations.